What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and grab the best DoorDash promo codes in 2023. DoorDash is a pretty good website, especially if you're a bit peckish like me. Now, there are not many discount codes that are actually worth using for DoorDash, and by the time they add their fees, it can be pretty expensive. So I managed to find, after spending hours looking for the best promo codes, I managed to get a $100 account credit promo code, and there is also a 3 food orders for free promo code. The best part is these codes literally take a few minutes to unlock, so it's well worth it to do this. And this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can go and do it now. You have to grab your mobile device, guys, and make sure you have internet access. And I'm on the Safari browser, but you can do it on any browser that you have. And you need to go to this website, www.hotshotcodes.com. Once you reach the website, guys, we just need to scroll down because the search function just does not work for whatever reason. Scroll down and look for the DoorDash promo code page. There we go. I know it's annoying to scroll down, but hey, well, what can you do? DoorDash promo codes, save big money on your next order. Press this page. You can see this has been rated by registered users, so it's working. Scroll down, and as previously mentioned, there are 2 codes you can choose from, guys. There's a $100 account credit code, so basically you can use it as and when you wish across any amount of orders that you wish. And there is also a free food orders code, 3 food orders for free code. Now that's a tongue twister. So you just have to calculate, guys, which code is going to be more beneficial for your orders. I'm going to go ahead and click on this $100 off code. So I'm going to press show coupon code here. And you can see we need to basically unlock the coupon code for $100 off. So we just need to press this button here. This takes a couple of seconds. Whilst we do this, I'm going to have a bit of sip of Monster. Oh, that's the ticket. So if you come across this page, that is a good sign. That means there's DoorDash promo codes available for you to get. We just need to complete 2 of these sort of free tasks here to unlock the code. This is just a way to protect the codes from robots. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, which is sort of a survey. Just answer the questions. And I'm going to input my email address. So give me a couple of minutes, guys. I'm going to complete 2 of these. And I won't make you watch me do it. But give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to complete these and I'll return and we'll see if it gives me the code. Okay, guys, so I just finished 2 of these surveys, making sure I fully complete the tasks. Now, I did surveys, but sometimes you can get applications where you just have to follow the instructions. They range from installing and opening apps to just completing certain levels on some games. So just choose which ones you think are the easiest. Is usually top down is easiest to hardest, but yeah. Once you've done 2 of those fully, when you open up the tabs, so I'm just pressing this like tab button here, you should now see this tab pop up, and it contains your DoorDash coupon code. This will save $100 off my next orders, so I just have to enter this into the promotions page on DoorDash, and it's going to do that. So this code is going to be used by the time I upload this video. So you have to go and get your own, guys, at hotshotcodes.com, and when you enter in your code that you get, you're going to be saving yourself a ton of money. So I know it's annoying to do all this for like it takes a few minutes, but you are going to be saving loads of money, so it's well worth it. Highly recommend doing this, and so do hundreds of other people. So yeah, Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please press the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm always making videos like this and finding ways to save you money. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.